In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert SBI saving account to salary account online. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go ahead, go to Google, type in SBI savings account to salary package account conversion. And then once you do that, over here, the first link should be a PDF file actually. You want to click on it. And it's going to take you over here to a website where you can basically see this PDF, which is the one you have to fill. So basically, just fill this to the end, so everything that's missing, you should actually fill it up, and then at the end, put on your name, address, date, and place, and of course your signature as well. And then whenever you do this, make sure you actually save a copy of the filled-in basically application. Then you want to go to this email over here, gm.customer@sbi.co.in, and then send them that and ask them like politely if they could actually convert your SBI saving account to salary account, and then attach this form. Now you can also alternatively contact them via their contact number over here. Go ahead and call them and then ask them if there's anything else you could do to actually get this done, and that's pretty much that. Okay, so that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.